eggs. I'm going to observe them and watch how they grow. How do you observe?
Boys and girls, pause the video and I want you to think in your head, what are some different ways that you can observe things around you in our world? Once you have an idea or two, then hit play.
When you observe, you pay close attention to something. To observe, you can use the 5 senses.
Okay, boys and girls, what are your 5 senses? Hold up a finger for each of the senses and whisper them to yourself. When you're ready, hit play.
You can use your eyes to see the color, shape, and size of something, and to look closely at all of its parts. You can use your nose to smell and compare it to other smells that you know. You can use your ears to listen carefully for different sounds. You can use your hands to gently touch and feel different parts. You can use your mouth and tongue to taste. Right, you should not taste that. You should only touch or taste if a grown-up says it's okay. When you observe something, try looking at it from different spots. Things can look different, depending on where you are. You should also take your time when you observe. Things might change. If you can, make observations during different times of the day. When I observe the weather in the morning, it can be really different than the weather in the afternoon. I like to take notes and write down my ideas as I observe. How can you record what you observe? You can record your observations by writing, drawing, taking pictures, taking video, or even recording sounds. Sometimes we describe our observations in words. The bird has black and red shiny feathers. Other times we describe our observations with numbers. The bird laid 3 eggs and 2 hatched today. It's helpful to record your observations in a chart, calendar, or other graphic organizer. What tools can you use to observe? Right. A magnifying glass is a tool that helps you look at things up close. A microscope helps you see things even more closely. A ruler or tape measure helps you measure how tall or wide something is. A scale tells you how much something weighs, and a balance helps you compare different objects. A thermometer tells you how hot or cold something is. A clock or stopwatch can help you time how long something takes. You can also use computers to record, organize, and print out your observations. What can you learn from making observations? Observations help us understand how things work and how they change. When you observe these frog eggs, you learn how tadpoles hatch, grow legs, and slowly change into frogs. You can use observations to predict what might happen or answer questions. Sometimes when I make observations, I come up with questions. I wonder, what do tadpoles eat? How do they breathe underwater? Sometimes my questions lead me to investigate or explore to find answers. What's that for? You want to take a closer look at the tadpoles? I don't think you'll fit in a tank, Moby.